By the end of this video, you will be able to make doodles using just basic shapes and curves like circles and triangles, and you can also make it more interesting by adding some cartoons in it. To make a doodle, all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil or a pen, or maybe a marker if you want to use it. Any basic doodle composition can be made using these basic figures. Now, along with these basic elements, we can modify the same elements into some more complex shapes. Or you can mix match all these shapes to make a doodle, like the way I did in this. I have only used triangles and curvy lines and straight lines for mosaic and parallel lines, spirals. Just using these basic shapes, I have made a full composition. I'm showing you a very rough idea of how to start practicing it, and the lines may not always be perfect, but the thing is that you have to start practicing. The simplest way to start any doodle is to just make a list of objects or things in general that you like. Just make a small list of 4 or 5 things, like for example, I like stars, so I'll just list it. Stars, buildings. If you see my work, you will find these 2 things very often, and flowers and triangles. So using these 4 things, I'll try to make a composition and fill the remaining space with the basic elements that we saw earlier. I'm dividing the whole space using my 4 major objects. Once you divide this space, you can fill up the remaining space by adding details to it, like the elements we saw earlier. I've used all my major elements. I've used stars, buildings, flowers and triangles. Now the remaining space, I can use anything to fill it up. I'll just use public lines, or I'll just use spirals, or I'll draw triangles inside the triangle. There's just no limit to how much you can do or how much you can cover in a doodle. It's just your choice. If you want to keep it simple, you can use just lines, or if you want to fill it up, you can use a galaxy pattern like this. Just fill up the entire space with this pattern, or you could just use lines to fill up the whole space. So it's totally up to you, and you have got all the freedom that you want to do with this space.
Honestly, I want to be a part of this.
Just fill up the smaller spaces that we had divided earlier. It doesn't have to be very complex. You just use the basics and you will be good to go.
I'll be here. I'll be here. I'll be here.
Just mix and match, and it looks good. And wherever you feel like it, you just fill up the space, so the black adds more look to it. And whenever you feel like you've made a mistake, you could just cover it up with some other shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Thoda kam zyada is always fine. Doodling is special because it has no rules. The freedom is addictive. To be told what to do every day, all day, is exhausting. And here you get so much of freedom. You can dive into your thoughts and draw a world of your own. And we are done. So this is a very basic composition using normal elements that we discussed earlier. You can also use colors, paints and crayons maybe if you want, or you can, for example, use acrylic paint to make some just normal doodle and write something on top of it. Here I have just used triangles. different color triangles, and I have written keep calm and doodle, which you should during this lockdown. You can also transform your doodle into some other shape. Like it doesn't always have to be a rectangle, you can doodle something in some other shape like you want. Doodling literally means scribbling. Scribbling which may have some meaning attached to it, or it may just be a mixture of patterns. How I started doodling was just scribbling absent-mindedly on the last page of my notebook, sitting in a chemistry class.